Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Tuesday the 16th. We have a Amazon unboxing from Best Choice Products. SKY4401. Nice size box. Always good friends over at Best Choice Products. Also check out their website. They're also on Sears and also Amazon. Here we go. Not sure what this is. Oh boy, here we go. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe, staying warm. There we go. Put you guys down. Let me open it up, find out what this is. Here we go. Oh boy. Got bag one. Some kind of something. Holy smokes. Got some pipes. Got a steel rod. Oh boy. This should be exciting. I might have to do it in 2 parts. I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to put together, but oh boy. This is like a tent. Not 100% sure. More pipes. And more pipes. Got more pipes coming. Oh boy. Instructions. Found the instructions down at the bottom. What is this? This should be a fun thing to put together. If I could get it out. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright. Alright, thank you guys at Best Choice Products for sending me the SKY4401. What is it? Oh, it's 59-inch closet backup. Really cool. I got some there, down there. Probably have to do the install down in my basement because I got a room down there. But I want to get this part first, the unboxing. Show you guys how it comes in. Nice and sealed. Everything is nice. Sorted out. And all this. We got the stoppers or the connectors. Plugs. We got more pipes. We got those. And that's supposed to be the sheet. Cool, cool, cool. So yes, definitely YouTubers. Full review will be coming up in a second. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here it is. The 59-inch hideaway closet, I believe it's called. All set up. Nice size. I don't know if you guys can see it pretty good. Hopefully it looks alright. There's that. That's what it looks like sealed. Back up a little bit. There's that. There you can see the light. And it's already rolled down. All I gotta do is take the zipper. Zipper here, zipper there. And zip it up. Really nice for like suits, dresses, whatever you need, pretty much. Has plenty of room. Ouch. Here we go. He's got it rolled up. Really fast. I'm going to do a short demo. Doesn't have to be perfect right away, but here we go. And you guys can get one at a low cost. Click on links down below. Check them out. Amazon, bestchoiceproducts.com, Sears.com. Actually, I was stuffing on top shelf. We unzip down at the bottom here. Hold on one sec. Same thing. But this is what inside looks like. Oops. It has enough shelves. I did have my friend come over and help me, so you might want to grab 2 people to help you with this. But this is what it looks like inside. Sorry about the lighting. Thought I would have better lighting, but it's alright. We got the 2 bottom shelves. And this is where you can put your suits, your dresses. And right through there you can see the top. Pretty good, steady. Put shoes up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. See, maybe I can move it. Different spot. A little bit better. It is big though. Here we go. There's the air hockey table. The fireplace. I'm gonna start that up. It's cold. I don't know where my remote is. Hold on. But yeah, pretty much that's it. It's a 59-inch closet. Put in your condo, your office. There's a fireplace. Also, you guys could get one at a low cost. Click on the link. And there you go. Really nice. Nicely made. Took me and my friend maybe an hour tops to put it together. And then here's the second shelf. Peekaboo. There we go. So thank you guys at Best Choice Products for sending me this to show them what you guys could purchase. And like I said, they have many other different home things and everything else, electronics, kitchen accessories, and now closets. So really cool. Alright, YouTubers, thank you guys, and you guys be safe, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow. See ya.